What's up everyone, today I'm going to show you some of the home automated devices we're using at home. The first is the faucet. This is a product by Xiaomi. I bought this at Shopee for around 800 pesos. There are actually two sensors, one at the side. If you will be washing the dishes, you can actually like put your hand here. Okay, and if you want to turn off the faucet, of course you also have to put your hand back there. Alright? And if you want to just wash your hands, you just want to use the faucet real quick, you just have to put your hand at the bottom of the sensor and the water will come out. Okay? This is actually the box of the sensor. So let's check what's inside. So we have here the different types of adapters depending on the type of faucet that you're using at home. Okay? There are also filters. Here there are filters. Actually there were 3 filters, but I used the other one at the sensor. And this is like the screw if you want to tighten or loosen the sensor. Okay. Next one is the rice cooker. This product is also produced by Xiaomi from China. You can buy this one at SM for around 4,500 pesos, but I just got this for around 2,000 pesos because this is the Chinese version. But you don't have to worry because there are so many videos over the web or in YouTube for you to learn what are the buttons that you need to press at this rice cooker. Okay, so let's try turning it on. There's a clock here. This is 1 hour if you want fine cooking. This is for the first button. You can press this button again, and you can go to the 40 minutes for quick cooking. So depending on the type of rice, maybe you're using the black variety, so it actually cooks longer, so the clock will adjust. The third button is just 1 hour and 30 minutes for congee. For heating the rice, this is the 4th icon. And the last one, if you will be cooking other types of food, because this is also a multi-cooker. This is only like 1.6 liters. Okay, and you can actually control that in the Mi app. So you can just like click the rice cooker. You can see the icon. So this rice cooker is connected to the web. So for example, if you want to cook the rice for 40 minutes, you just have to press the quick cooking. Then about 40 minutes, you can click the start button. Okay, and if you will be pressing the start button, of course the rice will start cooking, and after 40 minutes you will be notified that the rice is done. Okay, and another product that we're using home is actually the Evolink smoke detector. So it's a sensor that will trigger an alarm once there is an excessive smoke in the kitchen, and it is also connected to the phone that I'm using. So once a smoke will be detected, that will trigger the alarm and it will send a notification to my phone. And if I will be putting my number, it will automatically call my number as well. Okay, and the next one is the Wi-Fi plug, that one. And I'm actually using that one to control the power in the ref. So this is not actually a Wi-Fi ref. It's only using a Wi-Fi plug. So every day around 8 p.m. the ref will automatically power down, and every 8 in the morning the ref will actually switch back on. There are other home automation devices that I'm using at home, like the passive infrared sensors. We have the light switches, which is controlled by my phone or by Google Home Mini, and I'm gonna show that one or those devices in my next video.